everybody, and today we're gonna be opening Hot Wheels. So this is an 18 Camaro SS. Now I'll be doing a future short about this, but for now I'm gonna do an all-in-one unboxing. Next Hot Wheels, McLaren Solus GT. It comes in a beautiful blue color. Now I'll definitely be doing a future short on that. The next Hot Wheels is a 2007 Chevy Tahoe, and I'll definitely be doing a short on that too. Next Hot Wheels, GMC Hummer. Just wait a bit while. Alright, that went quicker than I expected. And here it is. I already have a white one from last year, but I decided why not buy a blue one instead for this year. Next car, Corvette C6. Wait while I open it. That went much quicker than I expected it. And here it is in its beautiful orange color. I'll be doing shorts for every single one of these. I'll be filming them like today, and I'll be uploading them over the days. Next Hot Wheels, might be hateful of these Hot Wheels, but it's an El Segundo Coupe. It's a fantasy, but it looks like a real car. And here it is. You know, it looks really nice. And the next Hot Wheels, BMW 507. Excuse me while I open it. Now, this is a beauty. And the next photo, another fantasy, Proton Saga. Man, I swear, some of these Hot Wheels open easier than the others. The next Hot Wheels is a 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And I do have a Mazda Miata, the original Miata. I don't know whether it's here or not. I can't see it in my collection currently, but I do own it. And there it is. Very nice. We have a couple Hot Wheels, huh? But next is a Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Honestly, looks pretty nice. All Hot Wheels are good quality. Next Hot Wheels, 57 Jeep FC. Excuse me while I open this. Now, here it is. And I also found the last year's edition. So, here's a look at the 2023 one. The next Hot Wheel is this very sporty Ford Ranger. And there it is. I probably won't do any more unboxings in January. Probably because I'm done with them. I spent like 20 euros on this. So, yeah. And the last but not least, Hooligan Treasure Hunt. This one hurts the most to open. And here it is. Oh, I have to quickly end the recording. Bye bye.